Meaning of gent.
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 Gent. The word gent can have multiple meanings depending on the context. However, the most common definition of gent is an abbreviation for the word gentleman. It is often used in a polite or respectful way to address a man. The word gent can also be used as a short form of gentrification, which refers to the process of making a neighborhood or area more affluent by renovating buildings and attracting wealthier residents. Overall, gent is a versatile word with different definitions that are commonly used in different contexts.